friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about how to identify your skin type. It is very important to know what your skin type is, because if you are going to buy some skincare product, you should understand what skincare product will suit your skin and what will break you out. Even if you are going to buy a makeup product, it is very important to know whether that product will make your base look good or whether it will make your base look cakey. So finding what your skin type is very important in buying any products related to your skin. In this video, I will give you 4 methods to identify what your skin type is. Before getting into the video, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In this video, I will be referring to 2 terms frequently, T-zone and a C-zone. T-zone is the forehead, nose and the chin area which has a T shape, and the area other than the T-zone is called as the cheek zone, which is the C area. As we all know, there are 4 different types of skin. If you feel that oil kind of a thing on your face, if your skin is so greasy and you get that kind of a feeling where you have to wash your face frequently, then you have a oily skin. If you feel like your skin is so dehydrated, parched, dull, and the skin around your nose area is flaking out and the rest of your skin is having some dry patches, and you have that kind of a urge where you have to use a moisturizer right after your face wash, then you have a dry skin. If you have a oily T-zone and a normal or a dry C-zone, then you are having a combination skin type. Combination skin type can be a little bit tricky because combination skin type people can also have dry patches on areas on their C-zone and rest of the face can be oily. If your skin is neither oily nor dry and it does not face any kind of a skin issue like acne, inflammation, then you are blessed with a normal skin. Normal skin type people don't require that kind of a high level maintenance to have a youthful skin. First method to identify what your skin type is using 2 tissue paper. One tissue paper for your T-zone and the other tissue paper for your C-zone. Now dab these tissue papers on your T-zone and your C-zone. If both the tissue papers are oily and greasy, then your skin is oily skin type. If only the tissue paper that you have dabbed on your T-zone is oily and the other tissue paper is not sticking to your skin, then it is combination skin type. If both the tissue papers are not sticking to your skin and if both the tissue paper does not contain any oil transferred from your skin, then your skin is either normal or dry. The second method is right after washing your face. After washing your face, don't apply any sort of a cream or a moisturizer. Try not to sit in an air-conditioned room. After 1 hour, if you have oil secreted all over your skin on your face, then you have oily skin. If you have oil only in your T-zone, then you have a combination skin type. If you have that kind of a urge where your skin is too painful to talk and to even give some face expressions, then you might have dry skin. And normal skin will be perfectly normal without any oil or any dryness. The third method to identify what your skin type is by observing the shine on your face. If your C-zone is shining and even your T-zone is shining, then you have a oily skin. If only your T-zone is shining and your C-zone is normal and it is not shining, it is matte, then you have a combination skin. If you don't shine in anywhere and if you have a matte skin all over your face, then you might be a dry skin or a normal skin. The fourth method to identify what your skin type is by seeing the size of your pores. Now everyone will have pores and the pores are more visible near your nose area. If you have large pores, then you have oily skin. If your pores are almost invisible and it is like a smooth skin, then you have a dry skin or a normal skin. I hope you find this video to be helpful in identifying what your skin type is. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you soon. Until then, bye bye.